Subscribe to Freelancing with Fahad to enhance your freelancing skills. Hit the bell icon so you never miss an update. Hey there, this is Fahad Khokhar, the Fiverrologist, and welcome to Freelancing with Fahad. This will be the first video of my copywriting course for beginners. For those who don't know me, this is my face. I'm showing this for the first time for my YouTube community. This will be a marathon course. I don't know when it will be ending, and you will have to bear with me for some days because I'm a little bit lethargic in uploading some videos. So if you do not get the new video someday, do not panic. So we will start from the very basic, that what is copywriting actually. For me, copywriting is not just about making sales. Okay, or for some guys this will be a little bit shocking. Because copywriting is something where you write the persuasive content, some promotional material, and the motive is to compel your readers to take some action. You can find this definition above my head. No, you don't need to memorize it, just remember the logic. What is the motive behind it? The Stephen Orkovich says, begin with the end in mind. What is your actual motive? So today you will have to first decide that what is your motive and what type of copywriter you want to become in near future. For example, you may want to become an email copywriter, you may want to become an Instagram copywriter, you may want to become a Facebook copywriter, and there are copywriters who work for the news, there are copywriters who work for the blogs, and there are many copywriters who write the press releases as well. And would you believe me that there are copywriters who write the scripts for the videos? Here you can see I have put the photo of Mr. Warren Buffett, one of the richest men on this planet right now. I claim that he is one of the best copywriters on planet as well. Now you must be wondering that I have never read any copy of Warren Buffett. Yes, neither did I. He is not a copywriter in that textbook definition that we have just learned. He is a copywriter because he starts his videos with a strong hook and ends those videos with a compelling call to action for you guys. Now, I claim that copywriting is not just about writing some compelling stuff, it is also about speaking something good. If you want to become a good storyteller like Warren Buffett or Gary Vaynerchuk or Sabri Subi or Sean Wozler or Tai Lopez or any of those influencers all around the world, they are a copywriter not because of the fact that they could write well, but because of the fact that they could speak well as well. Now, if you want to become any one of those, copywriting is your thing. Now, let me put you some example. If you are a YouTuber like me and if you want someone to subscribe to your channel, do not just say that please subscribe to my channel. There could be some compelling reasons to subscribe your channel. You should promise your audience that you will be putting some good content, that you will be offering some offers, that there is something valuable for your visitors in your content. Only that's why the people will be subscribing to your channel. So copywriting is not just about sales, it is also about getting some followers and creating a cult for yourself. So this is what copywriting is all about. See you in the next video. Subscribe to Freelancing with Fahad to enhance your freelancing skills. Hit the bell icon so you never miss an update.